I'm just checking out different things in the museum here, in the train museum. It's quite interesting. Of course, a lot of stuff about the KTX because the bullet train was fairly new here, but it was a big jump in transportation here. One thing I found kind of interesting though was these. These are railroad ties signed by dignitaries and stuff. But this one impresses me most. It's signed by George W. Bush. And it's the real deal. President of the United States of America, February 20th, 2002. That's when I came here. But there it is. George W. Bush. Well, huh? And some other dignitaries on the occasion, I guess, perhaps of the opening of the KTX. 2001. That's the inside, even though I'm an outdoor kind of guy. So I'll see what I can do. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye. I've been working on the railroad all the long day.